Welcome TechnologyAdvice viewers to this week's Product Spotlight. I'm joined by Robert Tatt, the Head of Sales and Business Development at Pilat. Robert, we'll dive into the first question right away here. Describe Pilat in one sentence.
Yeah, so Pilat we're an HR technology solutions company that develops customizable and affordable SaaS human capital management solutions for specifically performance and goal management, talent management, succession planning, compensation, and merit reviews. So that's specifically what we handle.
Great. Well, tell us what differentiates Pilat from its competitors.
So what makes us unique? First of all, we approach all customer needs with our extensive understanding of HR process, and we combine that with systems design. So that's our focus, and we're unique that way. So our business model is that we are a customizable software provider. And the reason we're able to do that is because we, for 20 years, have developed our own tool called HR Pulse, which is a proprietary development platform. So it houses a number of templates, which then customers can describe to us the functionality they want. And then we can quickly and easily develop a tool around the functionality that they want. The other is our philosophy about managed services. We assign a program manager to every single account we have. These program managers are vertical experts, they're thought leaders, and they're with each customer from the day that we design the tool right on through, some of them 10 years.
Great. Well, tell us about your ideal customer.
We support both private and public organizations. To give some background information, we provide our solutions to small, medium, and large companies, and we support virtually every vertical market. A typical customer might be one who's never automated before, so they want to add automation. So they're new to the automation world, and they need a company like us to help walk them through the first time that they're automating something.
Wonderful. Well, tell us about your pricing model and what all it entails.
I think it's a typical SaaS pricing model where we try to provide the customer the most flexibility in meeting their corporate needs. So what does that mean? Basically, we have a setup fee, so an implementation fee, that includes a set dollar figure that you pay the first time you engage with us. It includes our entire team that's working on the project, designing, developing, and implementing that tool. And then we do tier 2 training. So we do all of the administration training. So that's included in all the implementation. The second is the customer pays per employee per month. So it's a variable cost model, is that you only pay for the number of people who are on the system at any one time. The other is optional, and that's the customization piece. And that's just a matter of, our tool in most cases does 85 to 90% of what a customer needs, but it's really that 15 to 10% of special, unique features that they need would go into that customization fee. And then lastly, I would say it's modularized. So that means our performance and goal management is separate. Our talent and succession planning is separate module. We can separate out development. We can separate out feedback, and we can put it all together too. We unbundled everything, so everybody gets specifically what they want, and then we can also integrate those seamlessly.
Wonderful. Well, what kind of limitations do you have on your product, if any?
The best way to maybe understand it is to say what we don't do. Okay, so what we don't do is we don't do recruiting. We don't do applicant tracking. We don't do payroll. We don't do benefits administration. So that part of the HRIS or HCM pool of tools, that we don't do. And so we made a conscious decision years ago to focus specifically on the HCM suite of tools dedicated to developing and improving workforce productivity.
Wonderful. Yeah. Well, let's talk about implementation.
We almost all of the time have to be able to speak to systems that they already have in place that potentially we have to hook into. Potentially a customer has a system of record for all their employees. Well, we need to be able to pull that data easily from that system of record. We're not here to replace every single tool or system they have. what our expertise is, our ability to understand those other tools, to understand the HR space, and to understand the process that they're trying to accomplish, what they're trying to accomplish, and then provide them with options and customizable solutions to say, here's how we meet the entire need that you have, that you don't need to take this tool out of a box and that's all you get, right? So we want to give that flexibility to our customers.
Well, that all sounds great. Thank you, Robert, for joining us. If you would like to find out more about Pilat, check out our website, TechnologyAdvice.com, where we can help you find the best technology to fit the needs for your business. Thanks for watching.